folks, take a look at this beautiful ultra limited CVO. This is Harvey at Biggshd Harley Davidson. This bike is really like brand new. 6,100 miles. Very well kept. Some additions, we have highway pegs, S&S exhaust. This motorcycle is beautiful. Take a look. Everything about it says that it's been really taken care of. Come on down and give it a test drive. You'll be glad you did, because you won't let it go. Absolutely a perfect bike. Thank you for looking. Come on down and test drive.